Hey guys, Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. So far, market profile is telling us that there's a lot of support around 350. As you can see in the candle, value area high. But we're having a tough time trying to break above 372 to 374. It's pretty much an inside day. So bulls are buying the lows. Bears are shorting on the highs. So something has to give, either break out, continue going sideways, or continue going lower. My rep projection line as of today has been going down. So let's see how this is going to resolve. You know, the weather is going to give this thing catalyst to go higher. So we'll see how they're going to play out. Let's look at our simple glance chart, the daily. You can see the chop fest starts between 380 all the way to 352, running to support at the 20 SMA. However, the MACD is still negative and it's just pretty much noise right here. The Hekanashis look like it wants to do something like a turn, but the trend as of right now is, you know, chop, but kind of more on the red side, weaker side. PPS sell signal somewhere around 368. Let's see if we could close above 372, 371. That's the 0 degree in the square of 9, or at least get to 380 and have a close above there. If we close above here, high probability we'll get to 398 or even 420. Let's go into our daily, and you can see our monthly midpoint is 358. So we need to get, you know, we're above it right now, but we need to keep pushing higher. You know, 380 is your target, this quadrant right here. But the mobiles are negative, which I don't like. That's one thing that is negative in this chart. And then you got a PPS and the year in chop fest. So it's kind of red. The trend is getting a little weaker on the daily time frame. If we look at our 4-hour, you can see that we have already a PPS sell signal. However, the mobiles are positive. And this is the overnight. And if we were to go up, your first target will probably be your midpoint for the week. At least try to regain 376. We're having a tough time at 371, 372. That was yesterday's high. The overnight was 374, 373. PPS sell signal. And we're trending above the 200 SMA. So we can't take out 338. We do that, it could get ugly. So let's see in the overnight, in the US session, if we could push above 366. If we can't push above 366, obviously we won't hit 376. And we're probably going to go down. Well, we probably might get down to 344 all the way to 338 and even test the low of 333. But we have to push with some momentum. And lastly, look at our hourly. We were at the midpoint for today and we pierced it, but we're kind of chopping around here. So as long as we can stay above 361 and the VWAP, which is this white line, I should probably change that. Because it's kind of blending in with the candle. Let's give it that color for now. Not yellow. Let's do this one. Oops, let's see where we're at. There we go. That looks a little better. So we need to hold at least 359 to 361 to get some bullish momentum to the upside. Short-term target would be 372. Obviously, that was your high from the, was it a Monday session? And then extreme target is 378 all the way to 383. That could probably happen, but then let's see if we could in the overnight continue going sideways and then push higher. But if we can't, and in the US session they're going to slam it down, extreme targets will be to the bears only 344 all the way to 338. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.